are y'all doing today? I hope y'all are having a blessed day on today. Today I decided to share dessert with you all. I decided to share it with you all. It's just a simple dessert. Okay, it's going to have chocolate and cream cheese in it. My ingredients are an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 2 of the 4-ounce boxes of chocolate pudding. Y'all, I may not use but one. We're gonna see. I may end up using only one. Okay, and some whipped topping and some powdered sugar. And also we're gonna use a shortbread pie crust. Let's get to making our chocolate pie. Okay, y'all, in this bowl I'm gonna pour in my chocolate pudding. Okay, what you do, you go by the pudding instructions on the back. It calls for 4 cups of milk, but I'm gonna only put 2. Just mix it in. The reason why I only put 2 cups of milk in here is because I want my pudding to be able to cut in my pie, so I don't use all the milk as the recipe says. Okay, in this bowl here we're making our cream cheese filling. Use 1/8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix that until it starts looking like this. Okay. As y'all can remember, this is the way I do my Cool Whip. I make sure I stir it up. 1.5 cups of Cool Whip. Make sure I'm gonna get it all out of there, y'all. I love that creamy taste. Mix all of that together. Like I say, I only use 1 carton of the pudding, 1 of the 4 ounces. Now we're going to put our pie together. Around in there. Now I'm going to add some of my chocolate on top. Yeah, y'all, this is going to be enough for 2 pies. Let's see how much I got left. I still have a lot left. Okay. And you can make this as thick as you want or as thin as you want. Now I'm going to add my whipped topping on top. Put more or less. You can put the little peaks on it if you like. Decorate it. Pecans or some chocolate chips. It's up to you what you want to put on them. Okay. It's up to you. You want to put chocolate chips, you can put them on. You want to put the cans on it, you can. Well, y'all, I'm going to set this in the refrigerator for like a couple of hours and just let it sit. Okay, I'm going to let it sit for a couple of hours. And then just ready to little lid that came on there, and we're going to close this up. And we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3. It can stay overnight. It doesn't matter. If you want to pre-make this, you can pre-make it. And make sure you put this little plastic lid back on. Okay, I can finish that later. But anyway, if I get a chance, I'm going to come back with the final results, okay? But this is my chocolate dessert. Happy Father's Day to you, all you fathers. Y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now. Okay, y'all, we are ready to slice up this pie. Show y'all I'm going to show y'all the end results of it. That's my family in the background. So, we want to do this right quick. I'm going to slice this up. Okay. Okay, this is it. This is my chocolate dessert. Y'all see how it's looking in the pie shell? Okay. Let me show y'all exactly how it looks. See? Okay. Y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now.